This is Optimized Tube. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm thrilled to have you here today because we're diving into a topic that many of you have been requesting. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of transforming your t-shirt design or any other graphic into a vector file. This amazing file format allows you to scale your design to any size without losing any quality or seeing those dreaded pixelated edges. And guess what? The AI-powered tool and software I'll be using are completely free. So let's get started. But before we do, please do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps support this newbie channel. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos just like this one. All right, let's dive in. So, we begin our vector adventure here on Midjourney in Discord. As you can see, I already have a few designs created, and today I've decided to upscale these colorful pop art lips. To do that, I'll simply open the image in my browser and save it to my computer. Easy peasy. Now, this is where the real magic happens. Head over to Vectorizer Die, where we'll transform our image into a beautiful, scalable vector file. Just upload your image here and wait for less than 10 seconds. And voila! It's done! Now take a look at the two side by side. Can you spot any difference? Exactly. When we zoom way in, the original image on the left quickly becomes pixelated. Go ahead and click that download button up on the left. Oh, and before you press download, make sure to select the option to stack shapes on top of each other. All right, now that you have your shiny new vector file, you're going to need a vector editor tool to work with it. I highly recommend Inkscape. It's a powerful, free-to-download software that's not too tricky to use. Head over to inkscape.org, click on Download Now, and go through the installation process. Easy peasy. Fantastic. Once you have Inkscape installed, it's time to open your new SVG file with the software. Take a look at how easy it is to remove the background. Simply grab it, right-click, and cut. It's that simple. Now, if you plan to use your design on platforms like Threadless.com, you'll need to convert it to a PNG file with specific dimensions. We're talking 4,200 x 4,800 pixels and 300 dpi. But fret not, my friends, because Inkscape has got your back. Just go to File, choose Export as PNG, select the entire page, set your desired size, and as you can see in the thumbnail, it's going to have a transparent background. Once you're happy with the settings, save it, and you're good to go. And there you have it, folks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, keep designing, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next video.